Have you ever heard the saying that food is medicine? Well, today we're diving deep into two everyday ingredients that have been used in traditional remedies for centuries: honey and garlic. But here's the big question: can these humble kitchen staples actually help lower your blood pressure? High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a common health issue that affects millions of people around the world. It's often called the silent killer because you might not notice any symptoms until it's too late. But what if something as simple as combining honey and garlic could help manage your blood pressure naturally? According to the World Health Organization, nearly 1.3 billion people are living with hypertension globally. Left unchecked, high blood pressure increases your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other serious conditions. While medications are commonly prescribed to manage blood pressure, many people are searching for natural ways to support their heart health. That's where honey and garlic come in. Both are packed with powerful compounds known for their health benefits, and in this video, we'll explore whether they can make a difference when it comes to blood pressure. We'll look at the science, how to use these ingredients safely, and why so many people swear by this combination for improving their overall health. So, if you're curious about how honey and garlic might help you naturally manage your blood pressure, or if you're just looking for a simple, effective way to boost your heart health, stick around. Let's get started. The science behind honey and blood pressure. Let's start with honey. Besides being delicious, honey is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. These antioxidants can help protect your heart by reducing oxidative stress, which plays a role in high blood pressure. Some studies even suggest that consuming honey may help dilate blood vessels, leading to better circulation and lower blood pressure. While it's not a miracle cure, honey's health benefits are definitely worth considering as part of a heart-healthy diet. Garlic's proven benefits for blood pressure. Now, let's talk about garlic. Garlic is packed with a compound called allicin, which is well known for its ability to lower blood pressure. Research shows that garlic can relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing pressure on the arterial walls. In fact, studies have shown that garlic can reduce systolic blood pressure by as much as 10 millimeters of mercury in some cases. So, adding garlic to your meals doesn't just boost flavor, it may also help manage hypertension. Combining honey and garlic. Together, honey and garlic create a powerful combination. While honey works to reduce inflammation, garlic targets high blood pressure directly by improving circulation. This remedy has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and many people today still use it to help support their heart health naturally. But remember, it works best as part of a balanced lifestyle, not as a standalone solution. How to use honey and garlic for blood pressure. So, how can you use honey and garlic to support your blood pressure? It's simple. Here's how you can make your own honey and garlic remedy at home. Take about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, peel them, and add them to a jar. Pour raw honey over the garlic until the cloves are completely covered. Let it sit for a few days, and your remedy is ready. You can take 1 teaspoon of this mixture every day, preferably on an empty stomach for the best results. Are there any risks or side effects? While honey and garlic are generally safe, they might not be suitable for everyone. If you have diabetes, watch your honey intake, as it's high in natural sugars. And if you have low blood pressure, garlic might lower it further. Always consult with your doctor, especially if you're taking blood pressure medication. Holistic approach to blood pressure management. Remember, while honey and garlic are great natural additions to your diet, they shouldn't replace other important aspects of managing blood pressure, like regular exercise, a balanced diet, and reducing stress. Think of them as a part of a bigger picture of overall health. Can honey and garlic lower blood pressure? They might help, especially when combined with a healthy lifestyle. If you've tried this remedy or plan to, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to your heart health.